Welcome to my channel, and then in this video I will discuss about JavaScript basic concept. I prepared this presentation when I was applying for a teaching job before, way back in May 22, 2018 in one of the college here in Negros Occidental, but unfortunately I was not accepted. That's okay, that's part of the life. So prepared and presented by yours truly, Jake R. Pomperada, MAED IT. So before we start, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started with my presentation. Table of content, brief introduction, embedding JavaScript in HTML, statements, expressions, functions defining, calling, event handlers. Introduction. JavaScript is a Netscape cross-platform object-based scripting language for client and server applications. JavaScript is not Java. They are similar in some ways but fundamentally different in others. Developed by Brendan H. in 1995. JavaScript in Java. The JavaScript resembles Java but does not have the Java's static typing and strong type checking. JavaScript supports most Java expression, syntax, and basic control flow constructs. JavaScript has a simple instance-based object model that still provides significant capabilities. JavaScript types. There are two types: Navigator's JavaScript, also called client-side JavaScript; Live-wired JavaScript, also called server-side JavaScript. Embedding JavaScript in HTML or hypertext markup language by using the script tag, by specifying a file of JavaScript code, by specifying a JavaScript expression as the value of an HTML attribute, by using event handlers with certain other HTML tags. Script tag. The script tag is an extension to HTML that can enclose any number of JavaScript statements as shown here. Script, JavaScript statement, script. A document can have multiple script tags, and each can enclose any number of JavaScript statements. Hiding scripts and comment tags. Script, begin, hide script contents from all browser. JavaScript statements, and the hiding here script. Famous Hello World program. We have here HTML, body, script language, JavaScript, document write, open and close parentheses, double quotation, hello, comma, world, script, / body, HTML. JavaScript code in a file. The src attribute of the script tag lets you specify a file as the JavaScript source rather than embedding the JavaScript in the HTML. This attribute is specifically useful for sharing functions among many different pages. We have here the example: head, title, my page title, script, src, common.js, script, head, body. Statements. Conditional if, a conditional statement if else. If condition, if it is true, statement 1, else if it is false, statement 2 will be executed. Loop statements. For statement for initial expression, condition, increment, expression statement. While statement, while condition, statements. Expressions. An expression is any valid set of literals, variables, operators, and expressions that evaluates to a single value. The value can be a number, a string, or a logical value. Expressions continuation. JavaScript has the following types of expressions. Arithmetic evaluates a number to a number, for example 3, 14, 15, 19, value of pi. String evaluates to a character string, for example Fred or 234. Logical evaluates to true or false. Data type conversion. JavaScript is a loosely typed language. That means you do not have to specify the data type of a variable when you declare it. And data types are converted automatically as needed during script execution. For example, you could define a variable as follows: var answer equals 42. And later you could assign the same variable a string value, for example answer equals double quotation close quotation thank you. Data type conversion continuation. In expressions involving numeric and string values, JavaScript converts the numeric values to strings. For example, consider the following statements: x equals double quotation, the answer is close quotation plus 42. Y equals 42 plus double quotation is the answer dot double quotation. Defining and calling functions. Functions are one of the fundamental building blocks in JavaScript. A function is a JavaScript procedure, a set of statements that perform a specific task. A function definition has these basic parts: the function keyword, a function name, a comma-separated list of arguments to the function in parentheses. The statements in the function is curly braces. Functions example: head script language, JavaScript, function square. We have here number as our parameter, return number multiplied by itself, script body, head body script. Document right, the function returns square of 5. So 5 we multiply by 5 by itself will give us 25. All done. Paragraph all done. Event handlers. JavaScript applications in the navigator are largely event driven. Events are actions that occur as result of something the user does. For example, clicking a button is an event, as is changing a text field or moving the mouse over a hyperlink. You can define event handlers such as onChange and onClick to make your script react to events. Event handler continuation. Here are a few event handler functions. On abort, user aborts the loading. On click, user clicks on the link. On change, user changes value of an event. On value, users input focus to window. On load, user loads page in navigator. We have here an example of event handler. So I have here the reference that I use in my presentation. So this is the end of my presentation about JavaScript basics. I hope that you have learned something new in my presentation. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is your don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.